What's that over there?
That is the T-Rex.
Is that one like Mommy, too? I wish my ancestors made totem poles.
Well, they did. That one looks just like you.
Yeah.
Well, that guy has a big one, too.
It's hanging. Cool. What are they?
They're a Matisse family. They live in the Amazon.
Which one's the nanny?
She has the day off. Things are different in that part of the world.
And Nanny, one last thing before you take the rest of the day off. Do you think you could manage a quick shop for me?
I'll help.
No, it's okay, Greer, don't. Greer, don't!
Mommy!
What a mess. Really, Nanny, I don't know why you didn't leave all this downstairs.